These are three ways that a sympathetic neuron beginning in the lateral horn could um, exit out of the spinal cord and go about its way. So let's see. So here is one sympathetic neuron begins in the lateral horn of the spinal cord between T1 to L2, passes out through the ventral root into the spinal nerve, enters the sympathetic ganglion through the ventral ramus. Synapse is here. A postganglionic neuron starts from here. It exits through the gray ramus and then passes out into the dorsal ramus, and some fibers will pass out into the ventral ramus to their destination. Now let's look at some other neurons, what they can do. Now I'm going to use a different color. So again, they begin in the lateral horn. They come here, but they want to go to with the spinal nerves above T1. So what they will do is they will come in through the ventral ramus, not synapse in the ganglion. They will pass in this sympathetic chain or trunk, synapse in the paravertebral ganglion at the levels above T1, so in the cervical ganglion, synapse there, then pass out through the gray ramus. They will go to the dorsal ramus and the ventral ramus of the cervical spinal nerves. Let's look at some others which are destined for the spinal nerves below L2 because the lateral horn ends there. So again, lateral horn, they pass out, they get in through the ventral ramus, they pass down the sympathetic trunk, synapse in the ganglion here below L2, postganglionic fibers begin, go out in the dorsal ramus and in the ventral ramus of the lumbar and below spinal nerves, below L2. So that's how the sympathetic fibers can behave in relation to the paravertebral ganglion. There is much more than this, but I'm just showing you when they pass out with the spinal nerves.